Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 YouTube ideas without showing your face. I have a lot of people that say they want to start a YouTube channel, but they don't want to actually show their face. So I'm going to show you some really great examples of this. I know one person who has 8 channels and they make $30,000 per month. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you a free webinar where you can learn how you can make a full-time income on YouTube and grow your channel really fast by outsourcing it if you'd like. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Again, we're going to talk about 9 YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. The first one is to create a review channel. And I have a lot of review videos on my channel, but it's not just strictly a review channel, but here's an example of one that is. He actually has 2 review channels. This one is called Internet Marketing Reviews. His name is Aaron Chen. I believe he's full-time online. All of his review videos, he does not purchase the product. So a lot of people ask me, do you have to actually purchase it? He doesn't do that, but he does an excellent job of doing reviews. And you can see that all his videos do get quite a few views. So I've made a lot of money through my review videos, and that's just a great way to make money through YouTube. The second idea is a compilation channel. So this is just where you put together different clips and put them into one video. So this one is a great example. People are awesome. If we take a look at, they get 10,000 new subscribers a month. And if we look at their trending videos, this is interesting because this video was created 2 years ago and it's still their top trending video, which is 1,117 views per hour. And it's had 22.3 million views, and they're basically just putting yoga ball tricks and flips together. Now, if we try to figure out like how much money are they making from just this one video, most YouTubers make $3 per CPM, which is per 1,000 views. So if we figure out for 1 million views, that's going to be $3,000. So if you take 3 times 22.3, that comes out to, I think it was $69,000 that just from this one video. So you can see, I mean, obviously they have a lot of subscribers, 3.4 million, but this is a popular thing is people like to watch compilation videos. So not all of their videos have that many views, but if we sort by their most popular, you can see that a lot of them have millions of views. See, all of these have millions of views, so they're going to be making, you know, some of them probably $100,000 just from one video. Okay, so that's the second one. The third one is life hack videos. So it's just different things about life that you make it easier. This is a great example of that type of channel is 5-Minute Crafts. You can see they have 65.2 million subscribers, but they just have these life hacks, and you don't obviously have to show your face. You just show your hands in doing certain things. And you can see that they have quite a few views on all their videos here. Let's take a look at their most popular ones. Yeah, their most popular one is 2 years ago, 277 million views. So whatever 3 times that is, that's how much money they've made on just this one video 2 years ago. 42 Holy Grail hacks that will save you a fortune. So, life hacks, that's a really great way to make money with a YouTube channel. Number 4 is top 10 videos. And this is just an example of one top 10 channel. And you can see that he is also getting a lot of views. He doesn't have 1 million subscribers yet, but all of his videos get a lot of views. And what you could do if you're trying to figure out, like, I want to, maybe you want to model after certain videos or certain channels, you could just search top 10 and then filter by channels. And this could give you, some really good ideas of what other people have done. You can see all the different top 10 channels. So that's a great way to figure out, to get some good ideas. Number 5 is an animation channel. And I actually found this channel because it pops up in your recommended videos. And I watched this video. Is amazing. Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm sure you've heard of that book, but this is all animated. So if we take a look, the name of the channel is Chronicle Living, and they do all of these videos that are animated about certain books. I believe most of them are about books, or this one is Think and Grow Rich summary. So they're just doing like a summary of a book, and then it's all animated. And of course, you don't have to do these yourself. You can outsource it to like someone on Fiverr that you have an idea, and then you're going to have them do the animated video. But there's something about animated videos that just makes you want to watch it. Like, I really, really like animated videos, so I think this is a great idea. It's an animation channel. Number 6 is woodworking, and I was looking up woodworking channels. I found this one. It looked really good. It has 191,000 subscribers, but look at all the views that his videos get. I mean, they have over a million views on a lot of them. Let's see how many he gets. 8,000 subscribers a month, and his top trending one is 3 years ago, 666 views per hour, 2.3 million views. So multiply that times 3,000, you can see how much he's making just from that one video, and I'm sure he has a lot of videos up. And also, if you do one on woodworking, one of the top ClickBank offers is a woodworking course. So you can put that in the description below your video, direct people to, if you want to learn more about woodworking, click on the first link in the description below the video, so you can make some money through ClickBank that way. And number 7 is meditation. You have a meditation channel. This one here I absolutely love. It's Michael Seeley. He has over 1 million subscribers, but you can see his videos also get a lot of views. And I think in today's society, people really need to slow down and do some meditation, and some of these are guided, but obviously you don't have to put your faith in those. You can just have the meditation music and not the animation, but the audio that goes along with it. But again, you don't have to show your face on that. That's a really great example of top meditation channel. Number 8 is pet videos, and I don't know what it is about pet videos that makes people want to watch, because I don't know, just especially the funny ones. And you can see that this channel, it's called Funny Animals Life. I love their thumbnails. They're so funny, and that really makes you want to click on and watch it. And you can see their videos do get a lot of views. And basically all they're doing is taking some video clips and putting them all together. And you could do that. I did a video on this, how you would make a channel just around the Creative Commons. So if we did like funny pet videos and just search that, a lot of theirs come up at the top there. You can filter and go to the Creative Commons. Here, Creative Commons is where you can actually use it. It's not like there's not copyrights against it. You can use it. So you can see, like, you just that is so funny. You could take just small clips from some of these and put them all together, like take Camtasia and just put them all together and come up with something super funny. So I love that idea of pet videos. And then the last one is a tutorial channel. So if there's something that you know how to do, again, you don't have to put your face in it, but you could even have like the camera on your forehead where you're doing something like maybe repairing cars or just repairing something that you know how to do. This is an example that I wanted to give you. I think he does have his face in some of these, but obviously you don't have to. And I could see my brother doing a channel like this because he would just go out in the wilderness in California and just live off the land. Like he wouldn't bring, I don't know, he wouldn't bring hardly anything with him. But this is a channel about primitive technology, like how you would go out and create certain things in the wilderness. It's just really, really interesting. And you can see he has 10 million subscribers. So if you're into that kind of thing, survival, this would be a great idea for you. He actually isn't getting any subscribers lately. I don't know, maybe he's not doing any more videos. But his trending videos are still doing really good from 4 years ago. He gets over 5,000 views per hour. And that one has had 56 million views. So cord drill and pump drill. So it's just kind of interesting, the different topics he has on here. But you can think of just maybe something that you know how to do. It could be even like a technology channel where you just show certain tech things, like how to, certain people want to know, how do you do this particular technology thing? I'm not that great with technology, but when you find a video and you're like, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I needed to find out, but you can have a whole channel around a certain topic of technology and really help people out and get a lot of views. And again, these are videos that you get paid for when you have Google AdSense. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, 1 calendar year. And then you can apply for the Google AdSense program where people click on your ads and you get paid every time they click on your ads. And I did do a video on that as well. I will post that in the description below the video. I don't make that much money yet, but I do make money every single day from Google AdSense. And so I wanted to also share with you this free webinar that can show you how you can make a full-time income. And you can outsource all of this, and he's going to show you, this is Andy Halfel. It's an excellent webinar, how to find affiliate products that sell themselves and how to attract buyers without doing keyword research, how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face, and how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible. The Snowball Method is an excellent course, so I'd recommend that if you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead and listen to this free webinar. I'll post that in the description below the video here. With that being said, I hope you guys found some value in these 9 YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and if you want to learn more on this topic, on how to make money online, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.